Per Inside EVs, Costco is expanding its electric vehicle charging infrastructure in the U.S. The retail giant has partnered with Electrify America to install ultra-fast chargers at 5 locations across 3 states. These chargers, capable of delivering up to 350 kilowatts, are already operational in California, Florida, and Colorado. The largest station, with 14 stalls, is located in Loomis, California. 2 10-stall stations are available in Pleasanton and Sacramento, California. Smaller stations with 6 stalls each are running in Clermont, Florida, and Denver, Colorado. Pricing is set by Costco, with Electrify America managing payments through its app. Charging costs 46 cents per kilowatt hour at these locations. Separately, Costco teamed up with Electric Era to install 200 kilowatts chargers at its Ridgefield, Washington store. These chargers feature built-in batteries for power outages and off-peak electricity use, with a lower rate of 29 cents per kilowatt hour. Tesla drivers will need adapters to use Costco's CCS1 connectors. You are listening to UON News.